Welcome back to Urbanest Prime Estates, and today I'm going to be showcasing this ready to occupy 2-bedroom apartment that is located in Kileleshwa, Kenya. In case you are interested in this apartment, I'm going to leave more details on the description box. This apartment is out for rent and it can also be for sale. Also, it comes in with a fitted oven and a cooker. In case you're interested with a 2-bedroom apartment in Kileleshwa, for this unit, it depends on the square meters, but the price ranges from 14.5 going on. So feel free to contact me on the number on my description box.